الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور، له الأسماء الحسنى، يسبح له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض، وهو العزيز الحكيم. صدق الله العظيم. Dear Muslim brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are going to find the solutions of our problems in the 10th from the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that is Al-Jabbar, the overpowering Lord. So if a person recites this beautiful name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala 226 times every day as a routine in the morning or evening, he will be protected against the operation of trains and despots. And if he engraves it on a silver ring and wears it, he will be inspired. And if he will engraves it on a silver ring and wears it, he will inspire awe in the hearts of people, inshallah. Hope you for the best. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.